So this is how you can cancel your Netflix subscription. Open the app and then go to My Netflix at the bottom right. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right and you're going to want to tap on Account. So, if you want to cancel your subscription on the app, you can go on ahead and scroll down and then tap on Delete Account. It's going to ask you for a password and it's going to ask you to confirm if you truly want to delete your subscription. And once you do all of that, it's going to successfully delete your account and your subscription, meaning you won't ever have to pay for Netflix again. So once again, it's simply account, and once you're in the account section, you're going to want to scroll down and simply tap on delete account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.